Hello, in this video we will use array formula to generate the cumulative normal distribution datasets. We'll use Gauss, NORMDIST, and reverse the process using norm inverse and norms inverse. So we first generate the Gauss function, which is array formula, Gauss of the x values. And we generate the NORMDIST dataset, which is array formula, NORMDIST of the x values. Our mean is 0. Our for one standard deviation, and 1 because it's cumulative. You'll notice they're supposed to be the same. That's because I did not add zero point 0.5 to the formula in the Gauss column. So let's add zero point 0.5 to the formula. 0 0.5 plus. Now it's the same. So their values are exactly the same. We will now reverse the function, the process, using norm inverse. So array formula, norm inverse of the y values. This time we choose one of those two values. So we choose this y value, which is also the same. And our mean will be 0. And for one standard deviation, we get the output of the x values. So these values match to our x values. We can also use norms inverse. So this is equal to array formula norms inverse of this value, and we still get the same values of x. This shows the use of array formula in generating the datasets for cumulative normal distribution.